guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi T. Grant. If this is your first time here, and if it is not your first time here, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Today's video is going to be something really fun. I've been wanting to do a video like this for a while now. This is going to be all things nude lipsticks. How I create my favorite nude lipstick combinations. I do a nude lip like for everything, no matter what I'm doing. What my eyeshadow, it could be blue, it could be green, it could be purple, it could be like what it is today, kind of muted out, not a lot of dramatic colors. Nude lips go with everything, and when you're a brown chocolate girl, finding the perfect nude is really difficult. Trust me, there's a lot of ashy colors out there, and finding a nude lipstick is so difficult because you can very easily look ashy. Trust me, if you just put on a liquid lipstick like this, as beautiful as it is and how much I love this by itself does not look good. You need a lip liner, and I'm gonna tell you how to always get a good lipstick combination, no matter the price point, no matter what brand. Trust me. Now, hear me out. I know this seems crazy. Look at this color. Oh, let me even show you something lighter. Look at this color. This is from, what is this, Dose of Color, and it's called Nude Mood. See this color? You would see this color and you would swatch it on yourself and you'd be like, I don't really know. Like, I'm not sure if it's gonna work with my complexion. Let me show you a nude lip line, like a lip liner that will go really good with this. This is Chestnut. The reason why Chestnut will look really nice with this, because Chestnut has a little bit of red in it, so it's gonna blend really nicely with nude lipstick colors that have a little bit of red and a little bit of pink. So let me put this on. Kind of rub it in a little bit, and now I'm going to pop this and I'll have to take my finger that's sanitized. Okay, so I love to just pat it into the liner and then take the liner and just take a little bit of it and rub it, like blend it into the pink. Now, bam, look how pretty this looks. Look at this new lip. It's pinky, it's like pouty. The lips look nice and full. Wanted to elevate it a little bit more. Let me get my lip gloss going. I'm going to use Fenty's Fussy Lip Balm, and again go on my finger and rub that in. I don't know why, like, you can use the lip applicator if you want, but I find that when I use my finger, it doesn't drag the lipstick as much and everything stays into place. Like, we just worked on blending it and we don't want it to get all over the place. So here's how it looks. Let me zoom out. Look how pretty. So this is how I do my classic, like, pinky nude lip combination. Bear with me, the lighting has changed a little bit, but hey, this is one little thing is not going to stop this show. The best way to make any nude lip work is blending in your lip liner with that nude color. This color alone would not work. It would be a hot mess. Let me even show you guys what a mess it would look like. I'm cringing. Where am I going? Where am I going? I think I have a picture like from like 2010 or 11 where I have lipstick like this, and I actually thought it was cute. This is why it's important to use a lip liner. It blends in all colors, even like pinky, peachy colors like this. So let's go into the next. My lips are moisturized. Let's go on to the next lip combination. Now, this lip liner has been one of my recent finds, and it's like a holy grail. Amanda Dizzle on Instagram. If you guys do not follow her and you love makeup, trust me, Follow her. She's amazing. She's a makeup artist in New York City. I believe she is from the Bronx. So if you live in Manhattan or in the Bronx area, book her. She is amazing, hella talented. And she shared how much she loved this lip liner. How is a dupe for, I believe, Chestnut or Cork, one of those two Holy Grail classic MAC lip liners for brown women. I was like, oh, I need to try it because I've never even heard of it about it before. This is from NARS. It's in the shade Trendsetter. I believe this is like $8 or $9, $7 to $9. I don't know which one of the two, but I'll pop up a picture of the price and link it down below. And I'm going to pair this lip liner with Debbie from Atomic Makeup. If you guys have been following me for a while, I have worked with Atomic Makeup in the past. Love the brand, love the owner Neville. She is great. She's so talented. So talented. You guys should, I'll link her below. I'll link Atomic Makeup below. Let me show you guys this color combination. I need to buy another one because I use this so much and I love the formula. It's such a good nude combination. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of all my different nude lipstick tricks. Lip liners are like the holy grail, and finding the right one sometimes can be tricky, but I hope that the ones that I featured in this video help. So try this tip, but try these tips out even with darker colors. Use a brown lip liner and use like a red, and I'm gonna show you an example. This is Tie Me Up from Atomic Makeup. Brown lip liner, red lip, bam, beautiful, and it lasts all night. Even brown lip liner, and this one by Fenty. This one is in the shade Uncensored. This and a brown liner, lip liner, amazing too. Brown lip liners are the holy grail. You can use anything, any color with a brown lip liner. I hope all these tips help. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm actually really excited because as I'm filming this video, my podcast with Motherloving Podcast went live. So I will also link that down below. I hope you guys check that out. I'm super excited about it. It's a really nice way to get to know me a little bit more and about my motherhood journey. And I will elaborate more on some of the things that I talked about in the podcast, like some future projects that I'm working on. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm really excited for you guys to hear it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave me some video suggestions down below. All stay safe, stay indoors if you can, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.